Small losses, small wins, and big wins. This is how we stay in the game for the long run. What's up, traders? Hope you all having a great day. It's Raphael back at the charts again. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a trade that we took yesterday. Unfortunately, we lost the first trade after 7 trades in a row. We had 7 winners in a row. Yesterday was the day where I was losing the trade. I was trading from my phone. I was in the car. I was not in front of my computer. I didn't check the bigger picture, and this was one of my mistakes that I made yesterday. So I was jumping the gun a little bit too early, and gold was pretty tricky yesterday. It was fucking around. Like, we grabbed so much liquidity to the sell side, to the buy side, sell side. Like, as you can see, market goes down, breaks structure to the upside, and come down again, come up again, and it was very tricky. I got in pretty early. No, not pretty early, but it was during the New York session. I was waiting for the breakout structure. Like, it was the same trade as the day before, but I was not waiting for the grab of liquidity. So this one was kind of in between. So it was not the best possible setup, but it was still the pattern that I was looking for. And I was expecting to push to the upside to hunt this liquidity. Well, the market was coming down, broke first structure, second structure, so 2 structure breaks in my eyes. Then I was waiting for the pull back into that last zone where we grabbed some liquidity, you see that? But the market was just slashing through, and I was losing $54,000, which is less than 1%, so it's all good. Risk management was on point. And what is very important, guys, if you take losing trades, take the loss. Don't revenge trade. Don't fall into that trap of revenge trading because you want to make back the loss as quick as possible. Guys, it's not working like that. You got to be patient, wait for the next setup, and then, yeah, take your next shot when the next setup appears. Don't try to revenge trade just because you want to make the money back as quick as possible, because you can have a long winning streak and then you have like this one day where your emotions take over and you lose all your money. So you got to be careful about that. Don't fall into that trap, okay? So what was happening, guys, I could have taken another entry in here in this area where we took this huge push first, like the day before. We took a nice buy into in this zone. We could have used this zone again. It was still valid, as you can see. But we couldn't get a nice break of structure with the pullback, so it's all good. Anyways, the market was not moving too crazy. Like, I was expecting to push through the roof, you know, but yeah, we couldn't get it. So all good. We took the loss, and then after that, I was backing off. I closed my trading station. I was not interested in any more trades that day. I took my shot. It was not working out. I waited for the next day for the next setup to appear, and then, yeah, try it again, you know, and try to make more with your winning trades than you lose on your losing trades, guys. It is all about risk management. I'm telling you, if you have a strategy, if you're following a specific entry and exit plan, guys, small losses, small wins, and big wins. This is all we are looking for, okay? Small losses, small wins, and big wins. This is how we stay in the game for the long run, okay? So you gotta build your trading plan around these principles. Small wins, small losses, and big wins. This is all we need to do, okay? So, yeah. If you need a risk calculator or something, drop me a message. I made a nice video about a risk calculator, pip calculator, risk calculator, and I can send you the risk calculator as well. So make sure to drop me a message if you need any help, or if you're looking for a tool that can help you to manage your risk properly, because this is very, very important when it comes to trading. You really got to master that, okay? And it's very easy with these tools, because the tool does all the math for you. So it's very, very easy. You just gotta be disciplined, stick to your plan, and master that game. That's all you gotta do, all right? If you're waiting for an answer right now in the chat, I'm really sorry. Yesterday I had a little party in here. We played beer pong and stuff. I was with some of my childhood friends. I didn't saw them for like, I think Basti, I didn't saw him for maybe 1 year or something. So we decided to drink some beers, speak about what is going on in our lives, and yeah, it was a childhood friend. So I still got a little bit of headache from all that beer, and I'm sorry that you guys are waiting in the chat, but. Anyways, I'm going to take my time today, try to answer all these chats, try to get back to you as quick as possible. I hope you don't mind, apologize once again. But anyways, I'm just human too, I'm not a robot, okay? I'm going to help you get you guys on top, guys. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and let's see, I hope we can smash the next one. I wish you all the best, have a great day, and peace out! When you